Hi viewers, welcome back to my Nani's kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to prepare aloo bhaji or potato bhaji. For this I have taken 1.5 cups of chickpea flour and a medium size potato. I just peeled and cut into medium thick roundels, salt, quarter teaspoon of baking soda and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of dhania powder and half a teaspoon of jeera powder, and oil to fry the potato bhaji. Very first thing is sift the flour, then add all the other ingredients: red chili powder, dhania powder and jeera powder, turmeric powder and baking soda, teaspoon of salt. While mixing this batter, better to use a spoon so that there will not be any lumps formed. So first mix all these dry ingredients thoroughly and now add water little by little and make a pouring consistency batter. It took around half a cup of water to mix the batter, and you can see here the batter consistency should be like this, not so thin or not so thick. You can see here how easily the batter can be poured. So now let's keep the batter aside for 10 minutes, then we can start frying the potato bhaji. Once the potato cut into small roundels, then we have to soak the potato in the water by adding half a teaspoon of salt so that the potato will not become dark. Keep oil to heat, and now let's check the oil temperature. So just drop some batter into the oil. The batter should reach the top immediately. So now take out some of the potato roundels, dip into the batter and try to coat the potato completely with the batter, and drop one by one bhaji into the hot oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. Allow the potato bhaji to cook thoroughly. Let the potato bhajis fry for one side for at least 30 seconds. Then we have to flip it. Once the potato bhajis reach to the top, and it may take 30 seconds, just flip it one by one and again allow the potato bhajis to cook for another 30 seconds. Like this we have to cook the bhajis for 2 minutes. You can see here how nicely the potato bhajis are puffed up, fried and changed its color. So we fried the bhajis for 2 minutes. Let's take it out. Take it onto a paper towel so that the excess oil will be absorbed by the paper towel. Likewise, let's fry all the potato bhajis. Potato bhaji or aloo bhaji is ready to serve. You can serve it with green chutney. It's a very good evening snack. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.